Hello everyone, welcome back in this new series of ES6. So, first video, Introduction to the ES6 Challenges. EcmaScript is a standardized version of JavaScript with the goal of unifying the language specification and features. As all major browsers and JavaScript runtimers follow this specification, the term EcmaScript is interchangeable with the term JavaScript. Most of the challenges on FreeCodeCamp use the EcmaScript 5 specification of the language finalized in 2009. But JavaScript is evolving programming language. As features are added and revisions are made, new versions of the language are released for use by developers. The most recent standardized version is called EcmaScript6, released in 2015. The new version of the language adds some powerful features that will be covered in this section of challenges, including arrow functions, classes, modules, promises, generators, late and cost. Note that not all browsers supports ES6 features. If you use ES6 in your own project, you may need to use a program which is transpiler to convert your ES6 code into ES5 until browser support ES6. So we will start on ES6 from the next video. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.